cool. In this kitchen scale, it doesn't really show me very good options. They're showing me literally $500 and $600 options here when I'm looking for a scale that is maybe, $20, $30, $40, $50 kind of thing. So not great recommendations on this, but that's not really what I'm looking at it for. So I've already gone ahead and opened up a few of these kitchen scale items on my search on Amazon. This first one, this is a Nicewell food scale. And what's really awesome with the Cultivate extension is that right at the top, under the title on Amazon, it's showing us right here. It says seller is from Guangdong, China, and the brand is from China. So if it knows where the brand is from, it will tell you where the brand is made. And even more important, or just as important, is where the seller is from. Because even if we're going to buy, say, Chinese-made products on Amazon, we can at least buy from a USA seller. And that way, we're supporting small businesses like myself. I'm a USA seller. I sell some Chinese products, some US products, some Canadian products. But if we're buying at least from a USA seller, we're supporting USA businesses, which is definitely a step above supporting businesses from other countries. Or if you're from Canada, you can support Canadian countries. If you're from the UK, UK countries, etc., etc. So this brand, I would not want to buy from. Now, if I didn't have that plugin, there's another way that I can look at this. And that is by clicking on the seller. So a lot of times over on the right-hand side, under the Add to Cart button on Amazon, there will be where it says ships from Amazon, sold by Nicewell. Now, sometimes this is under the price as well, right above the bullet points or above the description, but you have to find where it says shipped from and sold by. And then you click on the sold by. And in this case, that is Nicewell. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Nicewell. And that's going to take me to the page for that seller. And under the detailed seller information, it's going to tell me the business address for that seller, the address that they have entered into the Amazon platform. And so this is important also if you're a seller on Amazon to know that your address is showing on your seller profile. So right here, we can see this seller is from Guangdong, China. It's got their full address and everything. So I would close out of that product and not buy from them. Now, this next one is a food scale by Lan Sheng is the brand name. Quite obviously not a US brand name, but perhaps the seller is from the USA. In this case, the Cultivate plugin is telling us that the seller is from China. Again, if we look over into the ships from sold by, this is sold by Langseng US. Now, this is an important thing to keep an eye out for. I've noticed a lot of Chinese sellers are putting US or USA after their name on the .com platform. It's probably the same in Canada and UK. I guess they're probably trying to trick people into thinking that they're a USA company. So don't take that for granted. I've seen a lot of it with the Chinese companies. And so if we click on Lansing USA, sold by Lansing USA, we can see, again, these guys are from Guangdong, China. So no go on that one. The next one here is E-Tech City Food Kitchen Scale. And this one is sold by Amazon.com. So we have no way to tell where the seller of this product actually is coming from because Amazon has bought this product and is selling it directly. Even the Cultivate does not know anything about this brand. It just says sold directly by Amazon right underneath the title. And so I just skip these products completely. I don't want to buy directly from Amazon. I want to support small businesses like myself and maybe like you if you're a seller on Amazon, the smaller mom and pop sellers that are on Amazon. So I do not buy any products that are sold by Amazon.com. They're a giant behemoth. They don't need more of my money. They're getting the fees from the third-party sellers anyways. And if you're not familiar with third-party sellers are people like myself who are buying products and then selling them to you or to other people on the Amazon platform. And those are the kind of people that I prefer to buy from. This next one here, it says the seller is from CA, United States, so California, United States, and the brand is from Hong Kong. So that is, again, the Cultivate extension that's giving us that information right under the title. So that's really convenient. But I could also click on the Neck Tech Direct, which is what this product or who this product is sold by. That's the third-party seller. And we can see that that business is in Anaheim, California. Now, obviously, this is not foolproof. It's technically a Hong Kong company or a Chinese company could register a company in the USA, but then at least that company for sure is registered in the USA. They're paying some USA taxes and things like that. But for the most part, a lot of the Chinese sellers I've seen, they just have their Chinese business address because it is a whole nother step, another complication to register a USA business. So that is a USA seller. I would potentially buy from that company. Next one here, GreaterGoods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. And this one, again, the plugin is telling us that they are from MO United States, which should be Montana. And this one, the sold by is underneath the price here, right above the color variations, and it's sold by GreaterGoods. So if we click on that, we can see that they are from MO USA. MO is actually, that's not Montana. Let's see, where is that? That is Missouri. Missouri. I need to learn my abbreviations. So Missouri is where that company is.